Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today's tutorial guys is on the fingerprint scanner, and this one is for anyone who is having issues right away if you install a screen protector, tempered glass or otherwise, and you're having issues where your fingerprint is no longer being detected. All right, all of these new tempered glass screen protectors, they do have a cutout here. That's how the technology works, where there's an area here. First tip to make sure to fix the issue where your finger is no longer being detected, especially if it's a fresh install of a tempered glass screen protector. Now, of course, make sure that this area here on the screen protector is making full contact with the screen. It would be best to get a plastic tool, something firm like a credit card, or of course a squeegee tool, and you're going to press down this area, meaning that you're going to turn off the screen and then you're going to basically rub the squeegee tool over this area right here. Let me show you. All right, I have my squeegee tool here. Make sure it's nothing too abrasive. On this, it's padded so it doesn't scratch the protector. So basically, you're gonna rub it over this section until it makes perfect contact. If it's a new screen protector, give it time to adhere. Don't be too quickly to use it. At least give it an hour or so it can adhere to the screen. All right, so the first tip for most screen protectors. All right, so once the install is okay on the screen protector, the next problem could be that, of course, right away as soon as you install a screen protector, it does change the nature of the glass, and as a result, you're going to find that it no longer detects your fingerprint. That's natural, so go ahead and you're going to go in settings, you're going to go to biometrics and security, and of course, you're going to go to fingerprints, seeing that's what you're using. I'm going to enter my password, and once you're here, guys, you should already add your fingerprints in. But the trick is, guys, you have to remove them. So go ahead and hit anyone and hit remove. It's right there. And once you do that, guys, you're going to remove, let's say you have 3 or 2. Remove the first one or the first 2 and leave 1. You can't remove all 3. Then, guys, hit plus. Then you're going to add a new fingerprint. So go ahead with the screen protector on. You're going to scan your fingerprint anew. And of course, once you add it once, you should be good. All right, another bonus tip, guys, is that let's say this is your dominant finger that you use for scanning when unlocking. You're gonna add your dominant finger twice. So if this one is the one that you use most of the time to unlock, you're gonna scan it twice or add it twice. So in the settings, make sure you add it under biometrics and security. Make sure you add it twice. So after adding it once, you're gonna add it again, the same finger. All right, that's gonna improve the detectability, especially with the screen protector on. And then, guys, to finish, make sure you have a backup finger. So for example, if you use your other thumb, make sure that is added as well. And once you do all of that, guys, what should happen is that the device should start detecting your fingers again. If it's not, it's usually the screen protector may have been improperly installed. Make sure that this part is fully in contact with the screen. And 2, you might have misaligned the screen protector. So make sure that you check your front camera by launching it and seeing if the screen protector is in the way of obscuring it. You can also look at it to make sure that the cutout is perfectly aligned, and of course make sure that you're not covering the area, meaning that the screen protector has gone above or is covering the area here, because it's a special composite material that's in this area that should be placed directly over this fingerprint scanner, which is directly in this area. So that might have been the issue. It would be best to get a screen protector that has an installation guide or a frame that allows you to place the screen protector on perfectly. If not, that could be your issue. So the screen protector could be the issue. And as I said, if it's not making perfect contact with the surface here for this area here where the fingerprint cutout is made with a different material, it's going to cause issues. But if you have installed everything properly, just do what as I said and it should be good. All right, I'm going to end the tutorial here, guys. If you have any feedback on what I just said, please go ahead and give your feedback in the comments. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.